നമസ്കാരം. V4 കോർപ്പറേഷനിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷനിൽ നമ്മൾ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത് CSEB നടത്തുന്ന എക്സാമിനേഷൻസിന് ആവശ്യമായ അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കേണ്ട 25 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. Question number 1. The pioneer province in India in the field of cooperation. The pioneer province in India in the field of cooperation. Option A, Madras. Option B, Bombay. Option C, Calcutta. Option D, New Delhi. The answer is option A, Madras. Question number 2. The documents on the basis of transactions are recorded in the books of accounts are known as. The documents on the basis of transactions are recorded in the books of accounts are known as. Option A, primary documents. Option B, secondary documents. Option C, collateral documents. Option D, source document. The answer is option D, source documents. Question number 3. SIDBI was set up in the year. SIDBI was set up in the year. Option A, 1988. Option B, 1989. Option C, 1990. Option D, 1991. The answer is option C, 1990. Question number 4. The Managing Director of Kerala State Cooperative Bank is appointed by. The Managing Director of Kerala State Cooperative Bank is appointed by. Option A, Government of India. Option B, Government of Kerala. Option C, RCS. Option D, RBI. The answer is option B, Government of Kerala. Question number 5. Section 57B of KCS Act 1969 deals with. Section 57B of KCS Act 1969 deals with. Option A, Cooperative Development Welfare Fund. Option B, Deposit Guarantee Scheme. Option C, Consortium Lending Scheme. Option D, Cooperative Risk Fund Scheme. The answer is option B, Deposit Guarantee Scheme. Question number 6. Allotment of shares must be completed within dash of issue of prospectus. Allotment of shares must be completed within dash of issue of prospectus. Option A, 60. Option B, 120. Option C, 90. Option D, 150. The answer is option B, 120 days. Question number 7. Minimum number of persons required for registration of a joint stock company is. Minimum number of persons required for registration of a joint stock company is. Option A, 7. Option B, 15. Option C, 25. Option D, 10. The answer is option A, 7. Question number 8. Loans which are not paid by the members in the time is called. Loans which are not paid by the members in the time is called. Option A, bad debt. Option B, loan. Option C, overdue. Option D, none of these. The answer is option C, overdue. Question number 9. Registering authority of a dairy cooperative societies in Kerala is. Registering authority of a dairy cooperative societies in Kerala is. Option A, RCS. Option B, Director of Dairy Development. Option C, Kerala Government. Option D, none of these. The answer is option B, Director of Dairy Development. Question number 10. The first duty of a cooperative auditor is option A, verification of books of accounts, option B, valuation of assets, option C, verification of assets, option D, verification of cash balance. The answer is option D, verification of cash balance. Question number 11. Medical aid to cooperative employees are under Rule dash of KCS Act. Medical aid to cooperative employees are under Rule dash of KCS Act. Option A, Rule 191. Option B, Rule 189. Option C, Rule 193. Option D, Rule 190. The answer is option A, Rule 191. Question number 12. Name of national level institution organized for trading with foreign countries by Agriculture, Forest and Fisheries Cooperative in Japan. Name of national level institution organized for trading with foreign countries by Agricultural, Forest and Fisheries Cooperative in Japan. Option A, FDB. Option B, Unicoop. Option C, Colcos. Option D, Kibbutz. The answer is option B, Unicoop. Question number 13. Branch banking is another name for. Branch banking is another name for. Option A, localized banking. B, chain banking. C, delocalized banking. D, unit banking. The answer is option C, delocalized banking. Question number 14. The apex body of consumer cooperative in India. The apex body of consumer cooperative in India. Option A, NCUI. Option B, NCCE. Option D, NAFED. Option D, NCCF. The answer is option D, NCCF. Question number 15. The word imbursed mean. The word imbursed mean. Option A, payment in advance. B, payment due. C, return outwards. D, return inwards. The option A is the answer, payment in advance. Question number 16. The Kerala Cooperative Tribunal is constituted under which provision? The Kerala Cooperative Tribunal is constituted under which provision? Option A, Section 80 and Rule 195. Option B, Section 82, Rule 195. Option C, Section 81, Rule 198. Option D, Section 81, Rule 195. The answer is option D, Section 81, Rule 195. Question number 17. A bill of exchange has generally how many parties? A bill of exchange has generally how many parties? A, 2. B, 4. C, 3. D, 1. The answer is option C, 3. Question number 18. The definite information regarding the day-to-day work performed by the audit staff is recorded in dash. The definite information regarding the day-to-day work performed by the audit staff is recorded in dash. Option A, audit note. Option B, audit notebook. Option C, audit manual. Option D, audit program. The answer is Option B, audit notebook. Question number 19. The accounts of income and expenditure are called dash account. The accounts of income and expenditure are called dash account. Option A, nominal account. B, real account. C, personal account. D, cash account. The answer is option A, nominal account. Question number 20. The Agricultural Credit Review Committee was appointed by. The Agricultural Credit Review Committee was appointed by. Option A, RBI. Option B, NABARD. Option C, NCUI. Option D, Government of India. The answer is option A, RBI. Question number 21. Cooperative flag was designed and given by. Cooperative flag was designed and given by. Option A, State Cooperative Union. Option B, ICA. Option C, NCUI. Option D, UNO. The answer is option B, ICA. Question number 23. Final account of a banking company consists of. Final account of a banking company consists of. Option A, income and expenditure statement. Option B, balance sheet. Option C, income and expenditure statement and balance sheet. Option D, P&L account and balance sheet. The answer is option D, P&L account and balance sheet. Question number 23. Registration of partnership is. Registration of partnership is A, mandatory. B, statutory. C, optional. D, none of the above. The answer is option C, optional. Question number 24. Decrease in the mineral wealth due to extraction is termed as. Decrease in the mineral wealth due to extraction is termed as A, obsolescence. B, depreciation. C, depletion. D, amortization. The answer is option C, depletion. Question number 25. The book Noblesse Oblige was written by. The book Noblesse Oblige was written by A, Robert Owen. B, Horace Plunkett. C, Charles Fourier. D, Daniel Hamilton. The answer is option B, Horace Plunkett. ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട 25 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷനിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരുന്നത്. ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഉപകാരപ്രദമാണെങ്കിൽ കൂട്ടുകാരിലേക്കും ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. ഒപ്പം സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു. ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ.